The ultimate type 2 diabetes food list. What to eat for better blood sugar control. Type 2 diabetes can be managed effectively with the right dietary choices. What you eat plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity, and maintaining overall health. Creating a balanced, diabetes-friendly diet begins with knowing which foods to include and how they benefit your body. Here's a comprehensive food list for people with type 2 diabetes to help you make informed meal choices. 1. Non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are low in carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals while being low in calories. Examples: leafy greens, spinach, kale, arugula, broccoli and cauliflower, zucchini and cucumber, bell peppers, mushrooms, asparagus. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates, which are digested slowly and prevent blood sugar spikes. They also contain fiber, which improves digestion and supports heart health. Examples: quinoa, brown rice, oats, barley, whole grain bread and pasta. 3. Lean proteins. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full longer. Including lean protein in meals can also reduce the impact of carbohydrates on blood sugar. Examples: skinless chicken and turkey, fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, eggs, tofu and tempeh, low-fat dairy, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, black beans. 4. Healthy fats. Healthy fats improve heart health and reduce inflammation, both of which are essential for managing diabetes. They also slow digestion, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Examples: avocados, nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, olive oil, fatty fish, salmon, sardines, trout. 5. Low glycemic fruits. Fruits are a natural source of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Choosing low glycemic options can minimize the impact on blood sugar levels. Examples: berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, apples, pears, oranges, peaches, kiwi. 6. Dairy and dairy alternatives. Low-fat dairy and fortified dairy alternatives are excellent sources of calcium, vitamin D, and protein, which are beneficial for overall health. Examples: unsweetened almond milk, low-fat or Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, unsweetened soy milk. 7. Snacks and extras. Healthy snacking can help stabilize blood sugar between meals. Opt for nutrient-dense, low-sugar options to stay on track. Examples: hard-boiled eggs, baby carrots with hummus, a handful of unsalted nuts, celery sticks with almond butter, air-popped popcorn. Foods to limit or avoid. While focusing on healthy foods, it's equally important to minimize or avoid certain items that can cause blood sugar spikes or contribute to complications. Sugary beverages, sodas, energy drinks, sweetened teas, processed and refined carbs, white bread, pastries, cookies, fried and fatty foods, full-fat dairy, sugary snacks, candy, chocolate bars, alcoholic drinks with added sugars. Sample meal plan. Here's a quick example of how to combine these foods into a diabetes-friendly meal plan. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and mushrooms, a slice of whole grain toast with avocado, a small handful of berries. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cucumber, and olive oil dressing, quinoa on the side. Snack: celery sticks with hummus. Dinner: baked salmon with roasted asparagus, a small portion of brown rice. Dessert: a serving of Greek yogurt topped with a few raspberries. Final thoughts: managing type 2 diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing taste or variety. By focusing on nutrient-dense, low-glycemic foods and avoiding sugary or processed options, you can create a diet that supports stable blood sugar levels and enhances your overall health.